So here's what we got from the snowstorm on February 8th, on that Friday night, 2013. It was that historic storm, which actually hit Connecticut and Boston and New York actually a lot harder than it hit us. It started snowing here about 9-10 o'clock last night, and this isn't so bad. We've actually, Cassie and I uncovered the car this morning because we wanted that plow back there to be able to get up in our driveway. So we decided we're going to go get some donuts. Not so bad. But boy, it was really coming down last night for a while. Boston has 2 to 3 feet, and the coverage, they had coverage this morning. Connecticut shut down all their roads. The governor closed all the roads so that they could plow, and boy, did they get snow up there. New York actually tried to do the same thing, but there were some cars stuck on the Long Island Expressway that prevented plows from being able to go through. So this is actually the bottom of the storm. We didn't get near as much as some of those other states.